How to set Samsung Music sleep timer on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. And in here, open up the music app. Next, in Samsung Music, we're going to tap on the More button. Then tap on Settings. Now in Settings, tap on Sleep Timer. And in here, you can select between 30 minutes to 2 hours. Otherwise, you can choose a custom time. And then in here, select a time and then tap on Done. And that's it. So that is how you can set your Samsung Music sleep timer on the Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.